Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I know it's been really long since I uploaded a video, but I'm back with another big bang haul. This is the Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. If you guys know that Nykaa was having a very huge Pink Friday sale and I had shared some of the offers on my Instagram stories. अगर आप मुझे Instagram पे follow नहीं करते हो, the link will be in the description. This is the handle. Go and follow me because I post a lot of updates on my stories also, and I share a lot of reviews on my reels. So definitely go follow me on Instagram. And as you can see by the title, I did a huge Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul and I wanted to share all the products that I shopped in the sale. So if you would want to see all my recommendations, then let's get started. So guys, even I haven't unboxed these products. I will be unboxing them all with you. I can't wait to unbox these, so let's go. So let me first start with the Nykaa Luxe haul because ये ऐसी ही packaging में आता है and inside this will be a black box. So let's just unbox this and let's see how the products look like. So guys, this is what the Nykaa Luxe box looks like. I really like the packaging of the Luxe box. Looks very classy. And इसको अंदर सारे products इसके सारे हैं. So I ordered some from MAC. So this is the MAC one. And this is the authenticity card which they have, 100% authentic, so I do trust them. And then this is the bill, and then they had some offer in which they were giving some samples free. 2500 की purchase पे there was a lipstick free, and I think 3500 पे there was a full size MAC product free, but I didn't buy for 3500. I think I bought for about 3000. So let me show you what did I get. So I got the mini version of MAC Velvet Teddy. I had not tried this shade and I had heard a lot about this nude MAC shade. I will be trying it for the first time. So let me show you how the lipstick looks like. This is what the MAC mini lipstick looks like, and this retails for about 1100 rupees. So this is the packaging, very cute. And ये shade कुछ ऐसा है. It is basically like a nudish peach and it's a very stunning lipstick. And I really like the MAC mini lipsticks. ये easily आपके पर्स में भी आ जाती है and you can even carry it in your slings whether you're going for weddings. अगर आप nude भी लगाते हो कोई भी कलर्स में बहुत सारे shades होते हैं, so you can definitely check these out because I really like these. I'll show you the other shades that I have in minis and I can't wait to try the shade Velvet Teddy. Okay guys, so I swatched it and it's a very pretty nudish peach. I am really liking this lipstick. It's going to be really good for anybody who goes to office, daily wear, whenever. It's a very nice nude. It'll go even on duskier skin tones but like medium. So you can definitely check out the shade. I found it really pretty. I can't wait to try this. And today I'm wearing MAC Meher, which is also a very classic MAC lipstick. This is MAC Meher, which is a very cult MAC lipstick. It's a very pretty nudish pink shade and I really like this. The other mini that I have with me is D for Danger. So this is a very nice wine color. So let me give you a swatch of these also. So this one is MAC Meher and the second one is, and the third one is D for Danger. So you can definitely check out the minis because minis ki total par bhi you get offers. Definitely add them to your cart. Link is in the description. So then guys, I got this MAC ka new kajal. This is so pretty. Ek to pink color ki packaging hai. It's so beautiful. And I've heard a lot about it that this is super dark, smudge proof and everything. So let's watch this. Seeming very dark यार, बहुत amazing pigmentation है. This is just one stroke and let me do one more stroke. बहुत ही ज़्यादा pigmented and dark है and packaging भी इतनी cute है, easily bag में डाल सकते हो. And you should definitely invest in this because ये बहुत expensive भी नहीं है. So I was so happy that they have come out with this mini kajal. Let's see if it's smudge proof or not after it sets. So then thirdly, I ordered this MAC Extreme Dimension mascara. I've heard a lot about this mascara and this is perfect if you're going for any parties or weddings. So I wanted to try this. I think once tried it and I think I really liked it and I wanted to try this again. So this is what the wand looks like. So these have very fine bristles, so इससे बहुत अच्छी I think length आएगी. I don't know about the volume. So this is what the mascara looks like. Seems a bit dry but I'm not sure. I'll have to test it out and I'll let you know कि मुझे कैसा लगा. But I think the packaging is pretty classy. So I will try this and I'll review it maybe on my reels or maybe here, so definitely follow me there. This was, I think, on every order in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So this is a sample strobe cream, and I absolutely love MAC की strobe cream, especially this is pink light, I think, and this is my absolute favorite. So you know, I would highly recommend, अगर आप इसका mini भी लेना चाहते हो तो आप ले सकते हो, but this is the sample that I got along with it, and this is a absolute must have product. And mini size comes, I think, till here or something, and that's for about 1100 or something, so you can definitely check this out. So guys, along with my order, because my order exceeded, I think, 2500, so I got a MAC retro matte liquid lipstick absolutely free, and there were two options, I think burnt spice and topped with brandy, and I chose this shade because a lot of people had raved about it. You know, it's a very different kind of shade. It's like a brownie pink, you know. I can't you know, I've never tried this shade. It's a very very pretty shade, and let me just show you a swatch with interesting shade laga. And you know, MAC has very different and unique shades, and इसका एक और shade आता है retro matte का, I think that's called Dance With Me. Even you can check that out. That is a very pretty wine red, and this is the swatch. It's a very nice, especially for winters, it's gonna be really pretty. बहुत ज़्यादा skin tones पे जाएगा, especially it will look great on dusky skin tones, and even on fair skin tones it's looking very like a brownie pinky nude. So I can't wait to try this. Definitely I will post a picture on my Instagram wearing this, so definitely check out for that post, because I was waiting for this lipstick since very long, and I'm happy that I have it now. Let me show you a swatch once again. So this is dried out, this is topped with brandy, this is velvet D, this is Meher, and this is D for danger, and this is the kajal. So let's smudge it and see. So I will be investing in it again and again because this is smudge proof, and obviously this is MAC, so the quality is great. Abhi bhi ye wale sare products link in description mein hai, so if you find them on a deal, definitely grab them. Link will be in description. So guys, next I ordered the Huda Beauty Khaki palette, and this is the mini versions. This is a bit expensive. This is about 2400 2500, but I think this was on 40 to 50% off, and this was such a steal deal that I had to buy this one. And I wanted to try their, I think, the rose variant also. It's in the neon variant or something, the rose palette, but wo out of stock tha, so I thought to let me try this one. And this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this plastic packaging, so the palette is inside this. So this is what the palette looks like. So gorgeous. The packaging is so luxe, like, guys, oh my god, the palette is so pretty. Oh god, the palette is so pretty, perfect for festive season and perfect for winters, because it has olive tones, it has this beautiful like, you know, shimmers and metallic shades plus mattes, and this has this beautiful, this lavender sort of color, which is I think glitter, I guess, but I'm sure it's going to be a great eyeshadow topper. And then again, this has skin like color, and then this has this golden, and then there is you know, this is olive color, and then this is khaki color, and this is like dark browns and some browns, and then this is bronze color. And this again is a very stunning palette. अगर आपको किसी एक palette में invest करना है और आपको लग रहा है कि you know, you like earthy tones, then you can definitely check out this palette, because it's a very pretty palette. Otherwise, if you like bigger palettes, then you can check out their Mercury Retrograde, which I really love, and their Rose Gold Remastered palette. So both of them are also really nice. If you want कि मैं सारे swatches दिखाऊं of all these products, then you can comment down below, क्योंकि अभी I'm not showing you the swatches because I think I'm gonna be doing a separate reel for these, for the swatches and obviously an eye look with this. So stay tuned to my reel and Instagram पे जाके जल्दी से follow कर लो. Next up, I had to restock some of my favorites. So this is a simple refreshing facial wash. I have used one of this bottle and I highly recommend this face wash to any skin type, especially अगर आपकी sensitive skin है तो ये आपके लिए perfect है, and if you have oily skin then even better. So I really love this, and ये मेरा summers का तो सबसे ज़्यादा favorite होता है, and I thought to, you know, restock it because this was on a good discount. So definitely you can check this out, because Simple is a very nice brand for your skin. So guys, I also got this Forest Essentials Rose Lip Balm. I had seen this product, and firstly the packaging is really cute. cute. So this is the outer carton in which it comes, and then again this is the packaging, like cutesy, you know, like puff type जैसे होता है ना, compact form में आती है cute से. And this, the best part is that this has mirror, like, you know, just look at this. This has mirror, so that when you know, applying this lip balm, you can just take the little lip balm and, you know, see your lips and you can directly apply. मुझे उसकी packaging बहुत cute लगी, इसलिए I had to buy it. And this actually smells of exactly like roses. And this is you know, this is sheer, not very pink in color. तो ये एकदम, you know, subtle है. Even if you are carrying this in your bag, it look very, very classy. So I've taken a little bit, so, you know, you can just scoop it out and like use it on your lips, and smells exactly like roses. So you can definitely give it a shot. Because ये थोड़ी pricey है, तो not gonna lie, मेरे को लगा थोड़ी quantity कम थी, but I think it's, if you like lip balms, if you're a fan of lip balm and winters है, so you can definitely invest one of this and keep it in your bag, and it'll look really, really cute. Then I got this Just Herbs का lip and cheek tint, and I had heard a lot about this lip and cheek tint because ये एक तो natural vegan brand है, and मैंने especially इस lip tint के बारे में इतना सुना था because a lot of people were raving about it, so I thought let me give it a shot. Yeah, this is rose coral. Let me just show you how it looks. So nicely comes with this lid, you know, so that you don't mess the product. And this is the shade, very, very pretty. It's like a pinky mauvey nude. And ये ऐसे से shades ना winters में तो बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. And this is going to be a great blush. Plus you can apply it on your lips, and this is not drying at all. So ये cute सा, you can keep it in your bag, and especially on the go makeup के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. So I wanted to try this, and this seems a bit pricey because of the size, because ये see according to my palm बहुत छोटी सी है, लेकिन I thought ये थोड़ी bigger tub आएगी, but ठीक है, because it's a natural product, so it will be pricey. So I will definitely use this, and you will be seeing me using this in my reels. So definitely follow me there if you want any small reviews. So guys, next up I wanted to you know, invest in this combo. This is a shampoo and conditioner combo, and even Soha Ali Khan really supports this, so that's why I have photos there on the box. And this comes in a combo form. So मैंने इसका shampoo try करा हुआ है, and I really like it. Herbal Essences bamboo and aloe shampoo, and especially good if you want to strengthen your hair. अगर आपको hair fall होता है, it has a very nice cleanser जिससे आपके बाल oily हो जाते हैं, especially winters में, या कभी भी अगर आपको लगता है आपका oily scalp है या आपका easily oily हो जाता है, you know, check out this shampoo. Let me just show you the product. So look at the bottle यार, इतनी सुंदर bottle है. Like, this is a clear bottle, and this says strength over here, and this has aloe and bamboo is really good for, you know, making your hair strong. So ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, and I thought you know, I should definitely invest in the combo because I wanted to try. Because I've heard कि जिसका shampoo आप use करते हो उसका अगर आप conditioner भी use करो, your, you know, that is more effective to your hair. So this is again the conditioner. This is what the bottle looks like of the shampoo and conditioner. So as a combo ये बहुत अच्छे offer पे था. Otherwise this one bottle retails for what, 700-800. Combo में I think it was on a very good deal. So definitely whenever you buy, you should check out the entire combo. Next up, I wanted to try this plum aloe gel, and I'd heard a lot about this, and this is vegan and natural. So I wanted to try this, and this is a very liquidy in texture. I hope you can see. Like, I'll show you closely. बहुत runny है इसका texture. Smells like aloe vera, and the best part is it's colorless. It's seeming a little like light yellow, but let's see. I will apply this and I'll let you know whether it's sticky or not, how it is. I've heard good reviews about it, so let's see. And vegan brand is, so I'm sure it's going to be very nice. So then I got these Nykaa cotton pads, and cotton pads तो हमेशा ही चाहिए होते हैं, whether to remove makeup or to do skincare. And these are the premium cotton pads, and अभी I wanted to try one pack because मैंने Nykaa के पहले नहीं try करे हैं, मेरे को try करना था. So I will definitely give my review on this कि कितने अच्छे हैं. So सारे मे बी stories पे या फिर on reels or something, I will definitely let you know ये मुझे कैसे लगे. I think they seem very nice by the quality, so you can really check them out. So next up guys, I got this good offer on Maybelline. So I wanted to restock my Fit Me concealer, which I really love. Highly recommend this to everyone. चाहे आप सिर्फ मेकअप पर्सन नहीं भी हो, सिर्फ आपके पास एक कंसीलर भी होगा ना, तो you know that'll change your game. Today I'm not wearing any foundation, so this is the concealer that I'm wearing, and plus one more concealer. So this is great for everyone, एंड इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं, you can definitely go according to your skin tone. And this is my favorite highlighter. This is the rose gold variant, and they also have molten gold, but ये मेरा favorite variant है and I had to restock this. So when I got these two products, I got this small mascara, hyper curl mascara free. So I've not tried this, but I hope this is good. I will let you know my review on this, but these are my cult, so you can definitely stock them. They are on sale. देन एल्फ कॉस्मेटिक्स में बहुत अच्छा ऑफर था, बाय वन गेट वन. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई देयर राइड और डाई लिप बाम, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को इसको रेव करते हुए सुना था. एंड दिस हैज़ दिस मिंटी फ्रेग्रेंस, बट आई हैव हर्ड कि ये बिल्कुल भी पावरिंग नहीं है. किसी किसी को फ्रेग्रेंस से प्रॉब्लम होती है, मेरे को भी कभी कभार स्ट्रॉन्ग फ्रेग्रेंसेस नहीं अच्छी लगती इन माई स्किन केयर, एंड दैट्स वाई आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई दिस. फर्स्टली द पैकेजिंग, लुक एट दिस. दिस इज लाइक अ इरिडेसेंट पैकेजिंग, बड़ी क्यूट सी है. एंड दिस इज द साइज ऑफ इट, लाइक पाम साइज है ये. और ये थोड़ी मुझे प्राइसी लगी थी, बट द बेस्ट पार्ट वॉज दैट यू वर बाइंग वन प्रोडक्ट एंड यू वर गेटिंग अनदर प्रोडक्ट फ्री. सो इफ यू बाय समथिंग ऑफ सिमिलर वैल्यू you can get it free. So this is my cult again. This is the brow gel that I use. This is the shade brunette, and इसमें और भी shades आते हैं. This is what the brow gel looks like. This is the Bond. ये Benefit जो brow gels है उसका dupe है, and I really really love it. And this is the brunette one. एंड मेरे पास इसका एक और शेड था, बट आई थिंक आई गिव इट टू माई मॉम. आप थोड़े लेजी हो जाते हो लाइक मी एंड यू डोंट प्रेफर पेंसिल्स एज मच. आई लाइक पेंसिल्स, बट समटाइम्स अगर आई एम रियली लेजी एंड इसको बस यू जस्ट ब्रश इट ऑन योर आईब्रोज एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. एंड the best look that you get is with this. So you know, like, you can definitely check this out. मैं तो हमेशा इसको restock करती हूँ, so you can definitely check this out. I highly recommend this. The Ride or Die lip balm. So this comes with the seal, and you know, ये ऐसी consistency में basically like how Vaseline is, but little thinner. And ये ना बहुत ही like pretty लग रही है, because you know ये जो shine दे रही है, that is like a lip gloss, and this is not sticky also. I'm wearing a matte lipstick, which is not very matte also. Like I was wearing a lip balm underneath. But ये इतनी cute सी packaging है, and you can easily keep it in your purse. So let me just apply this on my lips. I think the shine that it has given me, it is really nice. So let me just show you. See, you can see the shine. It looks like a lip gloss. So basically it's a very very pretty lip balm. Like जैसे अगर आपको lip gloss effect चाहिए, but आपको nourishment भी चाहिए, आपको stickiness नहीं चाहिए, आप ये try कर सकते हो, because ये तो बहुत ही सही है यार. This is a very nice product. इसमें ना shades भी आते हैं, तो tinted भी आती है, तो this can go on any lipstick. So I think it's a must buy. Lastly, I wanted to share that I got this L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Cream. What I wanted to try since a very very long time. I got a really good offer on this L'Oreal you know, 3 products. So this is the mask, the sheet mask, in which this is the serum and this is the sheet, and you press the serum into the sheet and apply it on your face. So this is really good for winters. And then there is this cream, which is the plumping day cream, and ये मैंने traveling के लिए ही मंगाई है, so that you can easily travel with it. I didn't know the size will be so small, but I think ये बहुत ही rave थी by all the influencers. So I wanted to try this, and this retails for 500. It's a small bottle. I'm assuming it's going to be really really good. And let's see how. Again, this comes with this lid and very very cute packaging. The cream smells so amazing. ना L'Oreal की एक aqua balm जो pink color की bottle में आती है, मैंने वो try की हुई है. I really love that. So I hope that this is also as good. So I will give you my separate review on this. And then I restocked on my hyaluronic acid. So ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं छोटी bottle पहले भी ली थी, तो मेरी वो ख़त्म हो गई थी, and I wanted to restock this for travel purposes, because if you are going for weddings or something and you want to keep something in your kit, then you can definitely try such a cream. इसका size कितना cute है यार. Definitely use the link, save the products in your cart and check them out. तो इन सारी products के link description में मैंने डाल दिए हैं. Some of my packages came late right now, so I thought to include these packages also in the haul, because some of amazing products are in there. So let me take you through the packages. I ordered this primer water, which is very very good to set your makeup, and you should definitely have this. And I ordered the travel size. I absolutely love this product. It's a restock. And then I ordered this Always Matte Mini Duo. So this is you know, the shade Stepping Out, and this is Big Spender. It's a very pretty rosy nude, and then this is a very nice brown nude. So these are the swatches. and I since this was around 2000 rupees, so then I ordered one more product. This was the photo finish primer that I had ordered along, because if the total would have exceeded 3000, then they would have given us samples. So I ordered this photo finish primer. It is a cult primer with most of the makeup artists. It will go on all skin types. It makes your skin smooth for makeup. I really like it. The only con is that the size of this product is so small, and this retails for $1000. So I found it very pricey, but it's a luxe brand, so I thought to invest in it. And yes, I got the samples free along with this. So I got this super fan mascara, which is good to define your lashes. I can't wait to use this. It's a luxe mascara, and this is the primerizer sample, and this is again a very nice hydrating primer. And lastly, I also got this liquid lipstick free. So this is in the shade Always On liquid. So this is the shade Liquid Fire, orangish shade in the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. And this is the swatch. It's a bit orangey, but if I mix it with a nude color, it turns out to be nude. So I will definitely show you how I mix it. And I can use it with this also. This is also a free sample. So this is the shade Audition. So let me show you how I pair it with this shade. It will go perfectly with this shade also. And I also have one more liquid lipstick that will go along with very well. Let me show you the swatch mixing it. The swatch of Audition. It's a very nice light nude, and this is the shade mixed in. This is Fire, Liquid Fire, mixed in with Audition, so it looks really nice. This again will go on all skin tones. So if you're an orange lipstick lover, I'm not much into orange lipsticks, so obviously I will be wearing it mixed in with this, or I have more liquid lipsticks that will go with. So you can kind of get the shade if you are looking for like peachy nudes, then you can mix it with light nudes like this, and it looks like really nice rusty color. So definitely check this out, and definitely check out these. Sale is currently on, so definitely check out these so that you will get a good offer on these. So whatever products are on discount, you can definitely grab them right now. Don't forget to check the links, and I will be coming up with many haul videos, so stay tuned to my channel and definitely subscribe kar do jaldi se jaake, so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will not stop the hauls because December is my birthday month. So अब December start हो गया है, and December is gonna be like full of party month. And next up guys, there's a big announcement that a very huge fashion haul is coming. H&M and Forever 21. I shopped a lot on Black Fridays, so I will share my entire haul. I will try to do a giveaway for you guys. I will be doing a December giveaway, so stay tuned to my videos and definitely subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, because अगर आप bell नहीं hit करोगे तो आपको notification नहीं मिलेगी video की. So definitely subscribe this channel. I'll keep coming back for more amazing videos, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.